right? Because it's really important that that aorta doesn't burst open. So if you look at its makeup compared to what we just saw in the other arteries, there is no smooth muscle and a whole bunch of elastic fibers. So that's kind of the biggest difference we see here. This layer here would be the tunica interna, just that thin line there. And with this one, that one's not as clear, but really what you're going to look at is the two sides of the elastic tissues to figure out which one's the inside and which one's the outside, because most of the cuts that we have are big patches like this and not full lumens like we saw with the artery, because it's obviously a much bigger vessel. Down here, you can see that this is connective tissue and like typically loose connective tissue, so that's how you can like be certain that that's not going to be the lumen, because you don't find that in the lumen. So here we have our tunica externa down here. All of this is the tunica media. Okay, so the tunica media here is going to be that elastic tissue because we don't have any muscle. And then this top layer just be the tunica interna. If you get this slide though, I'd be very, very surprised if you were asked to identify the 3 layers, because it's kind of silly to ask you on something that's so specialized. You're more likely to just be asked what this is, and it's elastic. Okay? Any questions on the aorta? Great. Moving on to the one